Hello everyone, my name is Saujanya and welcome to Business Bite. Today we will be sharing 5 secrets to improve your communication skills.
Hey, but isn't that supposed to be a secret?
These are those secrets जो आपका हर फ्रेंड मेंटेन करने की बात करता है और काफ़ी अच्छे से मेंटेन करता है. So before we proceed, there are few things which we should know. First, what is communication? The origin of the word communication is from the Latin word which is communicare, which means sharing information between different individuals. But why do people get confused between communication and language? Why do they assume कि अगर हमारी English काफ़ी strong है तो communication is very easy? If that is the case, then what about our Indian leaders? जैसे कि मैंने आपको अपने पहले वीडियो में भी बताया था, communication is not about language. Communication is more about expressing your views, sharing information, and most important things, the capability of presenting yourself in front of others. So here, the medium is just language, but language is not everything. Now you guys must be thinking, why is communication so important? Why do people pressurize so much on communication when we already have a degree? अगर आप अपने ओपिनियंस, व्यूज़ या इन्फॉर्मेशन दूसरों के साथ शेयर नहीं करेंगे, then it wouldn't be an effective communication. Hence, communication is very important. And now we will be sharing some tricks which will help you out in improving your communication skills. So let's get started with our very first point. Connect and observe. Start interacting with more people. It's fine अगर आपको उनकी language नहीं आती, but at least try to be in a group and observe what people are talking. Observe their body language, their gesture, usage of words, how are they behaving in a group, what kind of communication a person is initiating, and so on. In case if you're an introvert and you hate socializing with people, then I would suggest start reading books. It really helps. In case if you don't like reading also, I know it's very boring at times. That's my opinion though. But yeah, you can go ahead with some web series. Just watch like a bunch of web series in a month. I watched Friends and it really works. लेकिन एक बात तो है, if you watch Friends, अगर आप introvert भी हो, आपको hang out करने का मन तो बड़ा करेगा. I miss my friends now. Once you read or watch web series, you will start collecting different words. आप observe करने लगोगे कि okay, this is how a communication is initiated. Some amazing words you will get to know. But once you observe things, start noting it down. Like for example, when I hear some nice interesting word, I text it to myself or else note it in my Google Notes or कुछ phone के notes or something. Hey, but not only noting down those words, also try using those words in your day-to-day conversation. Especially तब जब आप नए लोगों से मिल रहे हो और same crowd को ही address कर रहे हो, तो start talking to them. Don't hesitate or think कि वो बंदा मुझे judge कर रहा है, वो बंदा मेरा मजाक उड़ाने वाला है. In case अगर वो आपका मजाक भी उड़ा रहे हो तो कब तक उड़ाएंगे? They'll also get bored ना. But it's you who has to learn and develop your communication skills. And by doing such things, you can sense some kind of confidence in yourself. आपकी personality में automatic some good changes will be happening and you will be loving it. Apart from all that, what matters more is your positive attitude. For example, we have 2 thinking process. ये 4 हो गया. 2 thinking process. Let's take your observing me. You have certain judgments or views on this video. You must be thinking whatever points she is trying to put up makes sense, but बेटा बोलना आसान है but करना नहीं. And points like this girl is good but इतना बकबक कैसे कर लेती है? इससे अच्छी बकबक तो शायद मैं ही कर लूँ.
सब तो करना. परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से. ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
Now comes your positive thinking. Once you observe me, you can also think, dude, this girl, she talks a lot, but she's trying to put some sensible points. Look at the way she carries herself. She looks confident, she looks fearless. She's enjoying the work no matter what. अगर आप सच में ऐसा सोच रहे हो ना, तो नहीं यार, मतलब इतना भी क्या? ठीक है. So what I'm trying to say is, our brain is capable of thinking both. The positives and the negatives. Always try to have a positive approach for everything. Meet and greet people with zero judgments. Talking about our next skill set, your body language. 65% of all communication is mostly non-verbal. But what is body language? Body language includes your facial expression, your body posture, your eye contact, etc. हमारी body language और communication का connection is more like momo and chutney. Momo and chutney. Yeah, अगर हमारी बॉडी मोमोज है तो उसका बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो गया मोमो चटनी। ठीक है, ये एग्जाम्पल ठीक है। इन सिंपल टर्म्स, बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज अ टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन जिसमें आप बिना कुछ कहे ही सब कुछ कह जाते हैं, कुछ कह के भी कुछ और कह जाते हैं एट टाइम्स। इफ आई टेल यू टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू बिजनेस बाइट, देयर इज अनदर वे, like, share and subscribe to Business Bite. Just like, share and subscribe to Business Bite, yeah, just do that. So now I showcased how a same line can be presented in 3 different ways. So here my body language gave you 3 different messages. One had a welcoming gesture, and in the other one I was least bothered, and in the third one I was a bit rude. Hence body language is very important if you want to reach people through your communication. Body language also talks about some of our very bad habits. For example, shaking your legs during the meeting, or ये pen लेके, such kind of things, or doing this during the meeting. It disturbs the listener and the speaker as well. People tend to lose interest to even to listen to you. This leaves a very bad impression. Don't do this. This also shows that you're very impatient and restless. Now comes another skill set. Speaking and listening skill. What is listening? Listening allows you to understand and get a sense of what others are saying, whereas speaking allows you to express your views, your opinions, your ideas to others. That means suno, samjho और bolo. So when you're speaking, always engage with the crowd. Observe what kind of age group are you targeting, whether it is 20 plus, 30 plus or 40 plus age group. Don't just jump into the conclusion. Always observe whether the listener is paying attention on your words or not. Also address the entire group, not 1 or 2 individuals just because they are listening to you and others are not listening to you. And listeners, I can feel your pain. I know it's very difficult to listen to people for a long time, especially तब जब आप बचपन से ही backbencher रहे हो. In fact, I used to take naps in my meeting rooms when I joined my work in a very initial stage. Hey, but I did work on my listening skills. Since I don't like reading books a lot, I started listening to podcasts or watch some videos or stories in YouTube. It really worked. These days, podcast is in trend. There are multiple podcasts on different subjects. You can pick any which interests you. Podcast will not only help you to develop the habit of listening, but also helps you to gain more knowledge on any particular subject or sector. While listening to podcasts, you can also listen to some good words or phrase or anything which interests you. You can note it down and use it in your day-to-day communication as well. Moving on to our next topic, your sensible behavior. We always come across such people who try to act smart or cool in front of others. Dictionary से 4-5 heavy words उठा लिए और उसे अपने communication में use कर रहे हैं, and people don't even understand what he or she is trying to say. You know what? I just got flabbergasted when I got to know that you got selected in the interview. Don't use such words. How will they understand? Just say it, no? That you got surprised. As simple as that. What a multitudinous day it is. Just say it that your day is very beautiful. As simple as that. So such kind of words, if you use it in your day-to-day communication skills and think that your communication is really strong, then no, it's not gonna work out. कम्युनिकेशन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर आपको बोलना आता है तो आप कुछ भी बकबक करके ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है. When you talk, start using some simple words which are easy to understand. Don't beat around the bush, just be straightforward. When you listen to something, take some time, draft your words in your head before you speak something. For example, let's take I am doing some presentation in a meeting and explaining the features of a product. But in that, if you end up asking me questions like why do that product exist, then
मुझे तंग करने लगे.
We also come across such people who won't let others speak, or else they'll end up interrupting in everyone's conversation and put up their own point of view. It's not possible that everyone should listen to you guys just because you feel you're right. And in case if you feel so, then it's high time for you to be sensible in what you speak and improve your communication skills. And moving on to a last point, coming out of your comfort zone. To follow any of the above mentioned points, you need to come out of your comfort zone. Always make yourself or put yourself in an uncomfortable situations. Challenge yourself every day with what you get in life. I always get to hear from people saying, यार मेरी communication तो काफ़ी strong है, but only in our group. When it comes to strangers or outsiders, I don't know why I be quiet. then it's you who has to work on it. It's you who has to come out of your comfort zone and see what can happen. Because you know that there is some potential in you which has to be worked on. Sometimes we don't know in what all areas we are good at until unless you give a shot. Am I sounding like some motivational speaker? एक लाइन की कमी नहीं है. आसान है.
आसान है, आसान है, आसान है.
We all come across through some or the other failures or embarrassments in day-to-day life. I have also seen some failures and embarrassments in life. But thanks to my mom, she has raised me by using this one line all the time in all her lectures. कौन सा वो तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार लगते हैं? Just जो मन में आ रहा है वो कर ना. And also don't be that friend. Don't ever be that friend who sits next to you and says, ए सुनना, वो वाला डाउट उनसे पूछना, तू अच्छा पूछ लेती है. You guys are so annoying in life. Now, if you don't just listen but also follow these simple tricks in your day-to-day life, then slowly and gradually you can see some kind of changes in your personality. Also, you need to put in some efforts and hard work for a longer period of time. For that, you should initiate something right away. Practice every day, visualize yourself everywhere, and challenge yourself every day. Always trust yourself. There is a famous saying, when trust account is high, communication becomes easy, instant and effective. So have the trust in you and all the very best. Also, for some more infotainment videos and interesting content, like, share and subscribe to Business Bite.